What's going on, guys? So, we are doing laundry today. Today is laundry day. You guys are probably like, hey, aren't you guys going to watch the Broncos game? Probably not, because we're tired of seeing our team get just absolutely decimated. Yeah, it's just ridiculous. But today's Sunday. Hope you guys have had an extraordinary weekend. I've got some more Amazon packages coming in today. Possibly. But I'm going to go check the mail here in a little bit. I'm dealing with a little thirsty, rubbing her tummy right here. Yeah. Yeah. No thought behind those eyes. And, yeah. I'll keep you guys updated throughout the day. We're going over the Genesis to do some laundry. So that's what the title of this video is. Laundry Day. Alright, guys. So, she is being the biggest brat right now. Oh god, I'll touch you guys here in a bit. Hey, baby. Goodbye, boiling water. You will be missed. What's going on, guys? We are back from Genesis' house. So, I might put some more lotion on. But yeah, we're back. We're going to be heading to an escape room, actually, which is going to be awesome. What's the one that we really liked this morning? Was it your coffin or the strawberry cake?
The strawberry cake.
Gotcha.
Jesus. It doesn't want to stay.
Oh my god.
Sorry, guys.
Yeah, sorry about that. So I hope you guys have been enjoying the content lately. So if you guys are wondering, yes, I just got new shirts. Yeah. God, I really love your coffin cake one.
I do too.
It's like super good. But yeah, that's kind of what we're doing right now. We're just getting ready. Got done doing some laundry at Genesis' house. Thank you, Genesis, for letting us use your machine. And yeah, it'll probably be back on the ground when we get back.
Maybe not. We'll see.
So you want to tell them what escape room we're doing?
We're doing. What was it?
God. Is it the haunted one?
Yeah.
Because spoopy season's coming.
It's spooky season already.
It is.
It's October 1st.
It is October 1st.
That was spooky season halfway through last month.
We're out of the teddy bear birthday phase and into the
Spooky season!
spoopy season.
Sus.
Alright, guys. I'll turn the camera
And
while I'm
continue
recording. Yeah, that's awesome. I need to see how that looks in the video. But with that being said, guys, we'll keep you updated throughout the day. We're going to go to an escape room. We're going to beat it and come back home relax. So we'll see you guys in a bit. Okay, guys. So we are...
Cute.
It's going to be fun. Unfortunately, we will not be able to bring you guys in because a lot of escape rooms have a rule where they do not allow filming because it ruins the experience. So
For future people.
we'll let you guys know how we did when we get out. And if we beat it, we'll let you know how long it took us. What's this place called?
Escape 307.
Escape 307. We are doing the haunted. Is that what it's called?
Yeah, it was the Macabre Memoirs.
The Memoirs one. If you guys are ever in Casper and you want to do something fun, do the escape room here. We're going to check it out and let you guys know how it goes. So, no spoilers in this video. I will let you know. No spoilers. So, we'll see you guys in a sec. Alright, guys. So, we are back home. We're just kind of chilling. Australia. We're just kind of chilling. We're going to get some food. Just got done doing a little cleaning. So yeah, I will keep you guys updated. I'll do 1 or 2 more updates, and then we'll go ahead and probably end the vlog out for today. So we'll see you guys in a sec. What's going on, guys? So, oh my gosh.
I don't know why I make random sounds like that. It just happens. It happens.
So got some news for you guys. I will not be doing the dogs this week. In fact, I don't even know if I'll be doing the dogs anymore after this week. You know, because some news may come in the next few days, and unfortunately you guys may not see the doggos as much, but that's not to say you guys won't see them again, because we will be going over to their place occasionally, and you guys will...
some game nights with her.
Oh yeah, and you guys will see Dottie and Daisy and them being crazy. Also, I found out some news today. Dottie got her cone off, so that's really good, which I'm really happy for. I know she really hated it. So, with that being said, guys, if you guys enjoyed today's content, go ahead and smash that like and subscribe button. Twittergram, TikTok, links are in the description. And all the links you need to know are down there as well. And what do we hope for them, baby?
Fantastic day.
Hope you guys have a fantastic day.